channel once again, and I'm sorry for being MIA last week. I wanted to put out a video, but still I was not well and I couldn't film that video at all. And in the case of IGTV, I filmed a video and I did upload one, but due to some copyright issue, it was continuously getting blocked by Instagram. I'm working on removing that music from my project and re-upload it, so that's going on behind. Right now I just filmed a video on this particular look. As you can see from the title, it's a casual day out look. This is a type of look you can sport for a movie date, or if you want to go out for shopping. This is a very simple look, guys. It's easy to do. Even if a beginner can do this look very easily, very quickly, and get ready. So if you like to watch this video, please keep on watching. But before that, guys, if you're seeing this particular face for the first time, then you have to hit that subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I post a new video. And if you want to see more of my life, or if you want to interact with me, then you have to follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is blushpout, and you can give me a follow. We'll stay connected, and I will be giving all the social media links below in the description box so that you can click on directly and follow me there. So now that the self promotion is over, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Since this is going to be a quick and easy look, I would suggest you guys to go ahead with your skincare, daytime skincare prior to the makeup look. I've already done my daytime skincare, as you can see, and if you want to know my daytime skincare, then you have to go click the video over here and watch it. I have already done a separate video on my daytime skincare routine. Go ahead and watch that. I will also link the same video in the description box below. So let's get started. I'm starting with the Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. It's two-tone smooth and perfect primer, and I really like this primer because you just need a small amount of product and it will spread easily and smoothen your pores out. So this is a silicone based primer, so and also it's very much affordable. I'm just going to take a very tiny amount and use this wherever I need, and it is highly spreadable, guys, so you don't need much product, as I already told you. Once I have done with the primer, I'm just going to straight away move to my base makeup. I'm using two products for my base makeup. The first one is a Maybelline Superstay foundation. I'm in the shade 310 Sun Beige. This is a very matte foundation. Since I have a combination to oily skin, I'll be using a matte base for myself, and to give some glow and not be completely matte, I'm going to use an illuminator with it. So the product I'm going to use here is a L'Oreal Paris True Match Lumi Liquid Glow Illuminator. It's in the shade N201 Rose. This goes very well with the Indian skin tone, and you also have golden, I think, which also goes with our skin tone very well. And deep, then I think you have a shade called bronze also in the same range. These are not bang on highlighter kind of thing, but it gives you that glow from within. Next thing I'm going to tell is this is a casual day out look, as you already know from the title. I do not want to cake up my face for the daytime. I prefer full coverage because I have a little bit of acne marks left here and there, and a little bit of pigmentation also. My skin is not very much even, so I always go for medium to full coverage foundation. So, this particular foundation is medium to full coverage, and it's buildable up to 2 layers. I'm not going to do that. Instead, I'm going to try and use only this much product. I just took a pea-sized amount. So I'm just going to use that much product to cover my entire face and make this even tone. For blending my foundation, I'm going to take a flat face brush, something like this, to buff my foundation in. The simple trick to use a little bit of foundation and cover your entire face is dot the foundation wherever you want to cover, wherever you want higher coverage, and then start blending the foundation from there. So this is how my face looks after the foundation is complete, and I am happy with the coverage. And the foundation is very skin like and very light. I can comfortably carry this outside without any powder because this is a matte foundation, and for oily girls like us, this foundation is a lifesaver, guys. So the next step I'm going to do is a concealer, and for the concealer I'm going to use the trustworthy concealer from LA Girl. It's a Pro Conceal, and I am in the shade medium beige. So medium beige is one shade lighter to my skin tone, and so I'm just gonna apply it on under my eyes and a little bit on my lips just to prime for the eyeshadow. And that's it. I'm not gonna apply it anywhere else because the foundation has given me enough coverage. This is a full coverage concealer, and it gives you enough coverage to cover your dark under eyes. Now that our concealer is done, I'm going to set the concealed area with my compact. So the compact I'm using today is the Wet n Wild Pressed Powder Compact in the shade Tan Beige. For brows, I prefer very natural kind of brows. You can see I have a little bit of gaps on my brows, so I'm just going to fill them up. For that I'm going to use a Sugar Brow Archival Brow Definer. I'm in the shade 02 Taupe Tom. I'm just going to fill my brows using this particular product quickly, and that's an easy thing. As you can see, eye makeup is going to be literally simple, guys, because I'm just going to give some color to my lid and the crease using my bronzer. So the bronzer I'm going to use is NYX Professional Makeup Matte Bronzer. I'm in the shade Medium. Medium is a beautiful shade, guys. It goes well with my skin tone, and if you are someone of NC42, and this bronzer will go well with your skin and face. Soft, finely milled bronzer, so I prefer using this for my lids. I'm going to take a fluffy flat brush like this and apply it all over my lid and also my crease and blend it out seamlessly. So when you're doing this step, make sure that you apply maximum color concentration on your lids and then go to your crease and do it so that it looks very much blended and put together. Now that our lids are done, let's move to the lower part of our eyes. So for that I'm going to use a kajal first, just to line my inner waterline or lower waterline. I'm going to use my Nykaa I Am Black Kajal. You can see the size of the kajal, guys. It's so tiny. I have used around 2 pencils right now. This is the third one, and I also have the fourth one in stock for me. So I'm going to use this kajal and apply only on my waterline. I won't say that it won't smudge at all. It is not that much smudge proof, but it will stay on your waterline till the end of the day. One more thing is that I'm not taking the kajal right into the inner corner. Give a pop of color which is going to make this look a bit fun and peppy. So for that I'm going to use a purple color like this. This is a beautiful color, guys. Now guys, I use the same palette every time and create different kinds of look. This is this much how you can use a particular palette for different kinds of look. You can see all my tutorials, guys. I just use around 4 to 5 palettes for my makeup throughout my YouTube channel. So this is the MUA eyeshadow palette in the shade Poptastic, and you have all bright colors in this. It is completely metallic and shimmery. I'm going to take a flat brush like this. This is the Kent brush in the number 05. Next I'm going to apply mascara. For mascara I'm going to use the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, my all-time favorite mascara. It gives you that volume to the lashes and also lifts your lashes up. This is a waterproof version which I'm using. Only my upper lash line is being coated with the mascara. I'm just leaving my lower waterline or lower lash line empty. So that's it for the eyes, guys. Let's complete the other part of the face. It's going to be very simple, guys. I'm going to give some color to my face using a bronzer. So for bronzer I can be using the NYX matte bronzer, but I just want very light bronzing and color to my face. For that I'm going to use the MAC compact powder. This is in the shade NC45. It's just 2 shades darker to my skin tone, as you can see. And for the blush, I'm going to use my Gabbana Colors blush, HD blush in the shade 03. This is the duo blush. You get a peachish color and also pinkish color. These two are a beautiful shade and it looks very natural onto your skin. So I'm just going to use this peach shade. The final step to the skin is highlighter. For highlighter, I'm going to use my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. So this is the highlighter I'm going to use. I'm just going to take a fluffy fan brush and apply it to my high points. So the last step is the lips. So for lips, I'm going to use a nude shade so that our eyes will be the center of attraction. For lips, I'm going to use the NYX Lip Lingerie. It's in the shade Ruffle Trim. I don't know why this shade looks darker on camera, but in real life it looks a perfect nude, peachish and pinkish kind of nude on my skin tone. To make my lips to look a little bit sharper, I'm going to add a liner. So for the lip liner, I'm going to use my Nykaa Lips Don't Lie lip liner. It's in the shade Pillow Fight. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. See you on my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.